Subaru fans, get ready. The 2026 Subaru Outback Hybrid is here, and it's bringing electrification to one of the most beloved adventure vehicles on the market. Is this the best Outback yet? Or is Subaru taking a risk with hybrid technology? Let's dive deep into everything you need to know. Exterior, interior, engine, price, and potential risks. Stay tuned till the end. First things first, the exterior. Subaru has fine-tuned the Outback Hybrid's design for 2026. It keeps the rugged, off-road ready stance, but with a more aerodynamic front grille and sleeker LED headlights. The signature hexagonal grille is now slightly larger, featuring active shutters to improve efficiency. New 19-inch alloy wheels add a more aggressive look, and Subaru has enhanced the cladding around the wheel arches for extra protection. The ride height remains an impressive 8.7 inches, perfect for tackling rough terrain. And for the adventure seekers, the functional roof rails now come with integrated crossbars that fold out when needed. Whether you're carrying kayaks, bikes, or a roof tent, the Outback Hybrid is ready. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice Subaru's upgraded interior. The 2026 Outback Hybrid features premium soft-touch materials, a redesigned dashboard, and an even bigger 12.3-inch touchscreen with Subaru's latest Starlink infotainment system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto now come standard, along with a wireless charging pad. Now let's talk performance. The 2026 Outback Hybrid combines Subaru's legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive with an all-new hybrid powertrain. It pairs a 2.5-liter flat-4 engine with two electric motors, delivering around 250 horsepower and an estimated 35 mpg combined. Way better than the gas-only model. But does it still have off-road chops? Absolutely. Subaru's X mode now features an EV off-road mode, allowing you to use electric power for low-speed trail driving. This means instant torque and smoother traction on tricky terrain. With a larger battery pack, expect a range of over 500 miles per tank, ideal for long road trips or backcountry adventures without worrying about charging stations. Alright, what about the price? The current gas-powered Outback starts at around $30,000, but the new hybrid version is expected to start at around $35,000. Higher trims, like the Touring XT Hybrid, could push closer to $45,000 with all the bells and whistles. That puts it in direct competition with hybrid SUVs like the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid and Honda CR-V Hybrid. But with Subaru's AWD system and off-road capability, it might just be worth the premium. Now, here's the big question: what are the risks? Hybrid technology is still relatively new for Subaru, and long-term reliability remains to be seen. Battery replacement costs could be expensive down the road, and some hardcore Subaru fans might be skeptical about electrification. Plus, if you're planning serious off-roading, hybrid powertrains can sometimes limit modifications like lift kits or aftermarket skid plates. But if Subaru nails the execution, this could be the perfect balance between efficiency and adventure. So, there you have it, the 2026 Subaru Outback Hybrid. It's fuel-efficient, packed with tech, and still ready for adventure. But is it the right move for Subaru? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Would you buy one, or are you sticking with a traditional gas engine? If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more car reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.